Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I wanted to come on really quickly and show you what I had done with the bags the self-sealing bags that I got from Beebeecraft. So like I said, they're tiny because sometimes we send really small items. And this is a package or part of a package of some puffy hearts that I wanted to share with one of my swap partners. So I used this. I'm going to show you really quick. It's going to be a really quick tutorial. Let me show you. I use this die that so many of us have, and from AliExpress. And what I did was I cut out 2 layers of this die. So the first one, of course, would be my bottom layer. And this one is going to be like this one, except this one's gold. So I cut that one. And then I cut another one out of the printed paper. And as you can see right here, it's hard to tell because this is glitter paper, but it's got a stitch line all the way around the die, or the die cut. Well, what I did was I cut that line out, and here is what I have cut out of the printed paper. And then what I did was I went ahead and folded this bottom piece, and I folded the top piece, and I glued these together to get that beautiful glittered edge. So let me do that real quick with you guys. Hopefully I am going to stay in frame, and I do not have my, okay, so after I folded this down, okay, what I did, I have ink all over, guys, all over my hands because I'm packaging up a swap, and I did some last minute inking. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and put some glue around the bottom half. And you have to be kind of generous with the glue because this is glitter stock. Of course, if you choose, you know, something that is not glitter stock or glitter paper, you don't have to use as much glue because well, I used our glitter glue and it sticks very well. Okay, and then I put glue on the handle part. There, and I've already got glue all over my table. Okay, and then I'll put glue on this piece. I'm going to put the link again for the bags in the description box, so that if you guys are interested, you can go check out Beebeecraft and see what you can find. But you'll have a direct link to the bags. Okay, so this becomes my bag topper. Okay, now our bag is, what did I say it was? 2 and 5/16, it looked like 5/16 by, from opening to opening, 3 3/4. So I cut a sheet of paper, of cardstock, at 2 by 3 3/4, and I just ran it through my embossing folder just to give it a little more texture. And then, you know what, and I prepared a little something that I'm going to put in there. I forgot how this was going to go. I was going to put it in this way. Yes, I was going to put it in that way. Okay, so I have put some little pearls in there just to show you. And then I put it in my sleeve here and seal it up. And I'm not going to quite go all the way down. I kind of need the top part. I'm going to staple the topper to part of the bag so it doesn't move. Seal this up. And then I will staple my topper to the top here. And it is a perfect fit for this topper, guys. Then I get my tiny attacher. I'll put a little staple right there. All right, and there we go, guys. I have actually prepared a tiny little embellishment that I'm going to put on the top here. And there we go, guys. There we go. The quickest tutorial I have ever made, I think. And that turns out to be such an adorable little topper. And when you emboss the back, it just adds so much. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys.